We use Social Blade. YouTube channel can be found. It just makes money every month through YouTube ads. It will reach an income of 2 million. Annual income reaches 20 million yuan. The theme of his channel is to make videos about children's songs. Many people did not expect that this type of video has such a high number of views. Income per day. At most, it even reached 130,000 United States dollars in advertising revenue. At low times, he had an income of more than 68,000 US dollars. Let's look at another channel, also doing children's songs. Its income is even more outrageous, even reaching 14 million United States dollars in advertising revenue a month. Isn't it unbelievable? This is also a market that many people ignore. The children's market is also very popular. Special children's music videos that children will like to watch very much. That's why his income is so high. If we search for keywords on YouTube, see the tube title tells you. Keyword children's songs is a very good keyword. That means his search volume reached 2 million, but his competitiveness is not high. So I gave it a very good evaluation score. Number of views on the first video reached a terrifying number of views of 5 billion. Although this video was made 5 years ago, it has an average of 1 billion views per year. But such an amazing amount of views. It feels incredible. The second video has 25 million views. There are no real faces in these videos. The most difficult problem for children's songs is to solve the copyright issue. That is, if you transfer some children's songs online, you are infringing someone else's copyright. How to make these children's music videos? You can create original videos without infringing on other people's copyrights. How to earn advertising revenue? Today I will share this method with you. Remember to watch the end of the video because I will also share some tips in the video. Otherwise, you will miss this opportunity to make money. Let's start today's topic now. Hello, I'm Timmy. Share some on my channel. Make money online. Make money with AI. Topics related to passive income. If you are interested in these topics, you can subscribe and favorite my channel. Let's take a look at the children's channels first. These videos above. His playback volume every day is very high. We can see the most popular video. The video 7 years ago had 2 billion views. Let's look at the second channel. The channel is more powerful. Its popular videos have 6 billion views. But the channel is a very famous children's channel. Some friends may be worried that others are famous channels. Of course, his playback volume is very high. But we need to know that in such a market, if you could make some really special children's music videos, I believe you can also get a share of the market. It's a very good market. It is also a market that is easily ignored by many people. It's because many people are worried about music copyright issues, that they can't start it. Today we can solve the problem by creating original music through AI. We come to the AI toolbox. What we came to find is the Chat tool. Let's go to Chat's website because what I want to do is children's songs. What to do is topics related to animals for children. Which animals does he like? I used Chat to write down the types of animals I like. Based on the above animals, I asked him to write a song about these animals on Chat. Let's take a look at Chat. I quickly wrote a song based on the above animal, and can see this song requires him to write very rhyming and rhythmic. Then I will give the third prompt. Here I asked him to help me write some prompts for pictures. So below, he will follow the songs of each paragraph. The content contains these picture prompts. I can make pictures based on these prompts. Next we come to the website where Leonardo creates AI pictures. We click on the picture creation here in Leonardo. Sites you can find in my toolbox. My URL can be found. I'm copying this now, then paste it on this dialog box. Then we choose the Leonardo Diffusion XL option. Then choose Leonardo style, and you have to remember it later. Plus, it's a children's anim style. Then we just need to select its ratio to be 16:9 to generate its AI picture. Next, we will generate the second picture. We saw Leonardo generate this picture of a dolphin, a very nice looking AI picture. Let's see again, then paste its content here for the second one. Still have to follow the children's comic style later. Then click Create. Same method. Because of time, let's take the pictures of the content I wanted to create before. All are generated. We just need click on the picture to download this picture again. There is a download button here. All these prompts just need to be copied and pasted. You can generate these pictures. After the images are generated, we need to download them all. Then we come to the AI toolbox. Next, we come to AI tools. Find the icon Run Waymo. We just need to register an account on his website. If you have a Google account, you can log in directly through Google. If you have an email, you can also register directly with your email address. After logging in, we click directly to start uploading pictures. Upload your image to the website. He can convert pictures into animations. Then we just need to take the pictures we just downloaded. You need to upload these pictures here. The larger the parameter you set, the greater the change in the image will be. You can test the parameters we set now. Take a look at the video it makes. Let me change the first one here to 1, then generate the second one. Let's compare their effects. We can compare. Here are 3 ways to create. The first one is text to video. The second is to convert pictures to videos. The third one is converting pictures and texts into videos. And when I first set the parameters, I set 5. We saw the video made from this picture. The action is bigger. It's also a bit exaggerated. Then there is an image conversion video set to 1. You can see it doesn't change much. The image has not changed much. So you can modify the parameters. Change it to 2 or 3. Let's see how it works. This one was made through pictures and text. The animation has changed a bit. See which one you like. Video is a video generated directly from text. Which one do you prefer? There is a download button here. Upload all the pictures, then download all these videos to use as material for creation created through Chat. Generate a piece of music. So I went directly to Chat. Copy the content I just generated. After copying this lyrics, we come to the AI toolbox. Find out if you can create music from text. That is to say, the lyrics we just mentioned. Websites where you can create music. We open the website. We saw him give away 50 points. In other words, he will give away 50 points every day. So it's enough for us to create. Now we click Create, button Create. Click button, then just copy and paste the lyrics I just wrote here. He can also directly compose songs here. You only need to enter a style of your song and the name of the song. What I typed directly here is the Animal Kingdom. It's a theme. Then enter a children's music style. Let's make music. Then we pass the second. That is, we customize here. That is to say, just now. I wrote this song on Chat. You need to copy and paste it here. Put the unnecessary text inside the brackets. Delete it. What is the style of the song? Enter a children's song here. Topic. The input is a question from the Animal Kingdom. Let's generate songs into music. Let's try it out. What is the music you just created like? In other words, its website is just the title and style generated. To generate song effects,
In the jungle, where the lions roar.
it actually sounds very nice too, and the effect of the song is also very good. Then let's listen to the lyrics we used ourselves. Provide lyrics, themes, and titles. What is the effect?
In the land of imagination, where dreams take flight, we meet creatures of wonder in the day and night.
The effect produced is indeed very nice. Just choose the lyrics we just generated ourselves. Generated music. Then if you like music, we can click here directly. Then select the download button. It can be a video. It can also be an MP3 audio mode. Later I need to use all this material spliced together, so I put it through the CapCut software. Come and piece it together. We need to put music in. It doesn't matter whether you download video or audio. Put on track. We can also put music. Convert audio to text mode. When you see this, click Auto Captions. English mode is selected. Then generate subtitles. You can see the content of your subtitles. You can then splice these materials together. It will be more convenient to join together. We see that the subtitles have been displayed. Let's choose its ratio to be 16:9. Drag the text to the bottom. Then we also choose an animation. You can see here is the text. Here is the animation. Then select it to show text text animation mode. We can choose to use them all. Next, adjust the speed to the longest. See the effect of his playback. It's more beautiful. We can also choose fonts here. Children prefer these words. I choose this one. This is the kind of text that children especially like. Text color. We can also choose different colors here. You can see this is orange, because children prefer some. You can see there are some colorful ones. I can choose a colored one. There are more color templates here. Now let's take this content. Drag all the materials in. Second, third, the length of the video may not be enough. We can adjust it arbitrarily. Because of the length of the video, we click on the video. See video? We can adjust his playback speed to be slower. This way you can see that his video has become longer. Also adjust his speed. We can give matching videos based on the content inside. If you introduce a cat, it's the content I received from the cat. Let's just give you a video of a cat. Then we adjust its speed. Let it overwrite the content described in this paragraph. It's about a little bear. For little bear, just use a little bear video. So this is how it is done. Just do it all in this way. It's a tiger. Let's try it again. That's it. You can put it together. I won't fight for the rest one by one. You can take a look at the results of the video I made.
In the land of imagination where dreams take flight, we meet creatures of wonder in the day and night. Dogs wag their tails, with joy they bound. Cats purr softly as they roam around. Lions roar, tigers leap, bears dance in forest deep. Elephants trumpet with grace they swing.
When the video is ready, of course we have to upload it. There is a video upload here, and the most important thing is when uploading. What keywords should we give him? We use TubeBuddy's optimization tool. Here are the keywords. You can find many related keywords here. We input what we just mentioned is children's music. In fact, the keywords. It is a very good keyword in itself. Video search volume is very high, more than 2 million, so it is a very good keyword. If he is highly competitive, the pointer will reach the red color here. It shows that competition is fierce, but he reached green. This shows that his competition is low. If you want more keywords, we can also click on the tab bar here. The tag bar has many keywords with high search volume. Let's search for the second keyword. Analyze this keyword. Although its search volume is very high with more than 5 million, but it's very competitive. We can check all the keywords we want. There are many more keywords here on Google, because TubeBuddy's free membership only has 3 keywords, which is enough. Upgraded members will have more choices. You can see the keywords of these tags. They are a very good keyword for these. Then copy these keywords here. Then paste it into your video tag. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.